So far, we've considered our capabilities and we've defined our few critical strengths or weaknesses, those things which we can use to derive a competitive advantage and those things which we must either fix or consider how best to defend. In other words, we've thought about where we are right now, our current situation. When we think about our own situation in relation to building profitable growth of our key accounts, we have to also consider where we as a company are going. What are our strategic direction, our strategic plans? And this is important because if we are to achieve our strategic direction as a business, we must, given their importance, achieve our objectives through our key accounts. And this means that we have to have real clarity about what's important to our company. We need to understand our company's strategic direction, strategic objectives, and the specific plans which may be in place as part of that strategic direction. This is important because it'll have a direct bearing on the growth plan that we're going to write for our key account. For example, the corporate strategic directives might call for, let's say, a 10% sales growth. And if your account is one of the top 10 customers, then you'll need to find a large part of that sales growth opportunity as part of your planning. There'll be little point in presenting a key account plan which offers, say, 2% sales growth. Similarly, if your company plans to expand into a new geography, then you'll have to include that expansion into the geography with those relevant key accounts. If the company plans to withdraw a product range, which makes that a key part of your business with a key account, then you've got to find alternative sales opportunities to fill the resulting gap. The underlying point here is that the corporate objectives can only be achieved through the key accounts. You can't achieve corporate objectives without achieving the key account objectives. And you can't write key account growth plans without understanding and incorporating the company's strategic direction, plans, and objectives. Which means that you have to ensure that part of the key account growth planning process delivers the important corporate plans to the key account manager. Now, this doesn't mean that every key account manager must get all the confidential strategic plans and minutes of the board meetings. But what it does mean is that the key account manager has to get the information which is relevant to the key account growth plans. A good way for the senior management team to think about this one is to ask the question, what aspects of the corporate direction, objectives, plans do we expect to see included in the key account growth plans? We want to make sure that as a result of achieving our key account objectives, we'll also achieve our corporate objectives.